Hi guys, join me as I styled Temilade's wedding. First, I went in with my hot comb to make sure the roots are really cleared out, and I went in with my straightener to blend the hair with the weave. And I also went in with my bun and added an extra bun just to make sure that it's big enough to accommodate the curls we are trying to put in. After that, I decided to part the curls in pieces and pin them down. For this process, I would like you to watch the video over and over so that you could see how the curls is being done. I might not explain as much as you want it, but I'm gonna try to explain now. It's majorly how you open curls and pin them down. So firstly, the first curl, you want to make sure you put enough in front because that's where the beauty is. And for the rest of the curls, you want to fold them in bits just to make sure it gives you like a puffy kind of look for every section until it covers the whole bun. So right here, I'm pinning this section, then turn it again and pin it down, turn it again and pin it down. And I'm also setting it with my spray just to make sure that it sits well and it's not, we don't have so many flyovers, even though the hair is really good and it has like really limited flyovers. When I was done with the curls in front, I had to add extra extensions to it just to give us a big volume of curls. That was the look she was looking to get, and it has to be achieved. The installation we did, we couldn't put in too much hair so it doesn't look bulky because we are going for an updo look. And I left the hair at the back, I sew it in and make sure it was really flat. So the best idea is to add extra hair and curl it the same way. So what I did basically is I curled the back the way I did the front, and I used the same process to cover the bun at the back, and that was it. I left some hair, little strands here and there just to give it the neat messy look, not like the really messy look, but like a neat kind of messy look, and it came out really beautiful. So after this whole process, all I did was just part the hair into the shape I want, because it is not enough for you to curl hair and create the kind of curls you want on the bride, but to mold it into what fits her face and her head is also major. So you can watch me do all of that, and at the end of the video I will tell you what is next. At this point, those ones that the hair I left out hanging, I decided to curl them just to make sure they look neat and perfect like other ones. I went in again to press the hair and make it form the shape I actually want it to form, and voila, this is our result. What do you think about this look? Will you rock this as a bride? Share this with your friends and family, and remember to like, share and subscribe if you are new here. I look forward to seeing you watch my next videos because I'm about to drop so many more. Alright guys, bye.